Hi, so Sam from Ludlow Thompson, and today I'm going to be showing you around a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom property which is situated in the Canary Wharf area. This property consists of a fully integrated kitchen, spacious reception area, and you also have access to a private balcony. This development has an on-site concierge as well as bike storage. You're also a stone throw away from Blackwall Station, which is on the DLR line, so you have great transport links into the city. Let's take a look at it. So this property is a gated development. So I've just walked through the external doors into the courtyard. On your left hand side you have access to bike storage. And these external doors would lead you into the building itself. On the right hand side you have the concierge as well as a mailbox. As you walk through this door, on the left hand side you have access to 2 lifts which will take you to your apartment. As you walk into the apartment, on the left hand side you have one of the bedrooms, and this bedroom has loads of storage space behind the mirrors. As you walk into the second bedroom, you've got your chest of drawers, which is on the right hand side. You also have more wardrobe space behind the mirrors. And as you can see, it's a spacious second bedroom with an ensuite, which is in pristine condition. This apartment has wooden flooring throughout, so it gives it that nice finish. Got your plug sockets there, the right hand side, as well as straight in front of you. This gives you more of an idea of how much storage space which is in one side of the cupboard. And as you come out this room into the main reception area, so this is an open plan kitchen and reception. You've got a large fridge freezer, and you also have a dishwasher which is built in, as well as a washing machine which also has the drying service. So as you can see, there's loads of storage space for cutlery and crockery. You also have access to a private balcony with really cool views of Canary Wharf. This apartment is a stone throw away from Blackwall DLR station, and it will take you around 11 minutes to get to Bank Station, so it's very well connected. It's based off a main road, so you're on the back of a main road, so it's very quiet. And then here is the main master bathroom. As you can see, there's a large bath, a shower attached. And as you come out of the bathroom, behind you is another storage space where you could possibly put your suitcases or anything along those lines. For more info or to arrange a viewing, why not contact us on the details below, and we'll be happy to assist.